Here we are in Quarry Green Heights. We're in C block. We're looking up there at two CCTVs. There's one there. There's one there. That's the smoke alarm what I think was set off last night. And that's a speaker system where the remote operating security guards who apparently look at the CCTV, they can actually use that speaker system to alert people or to tell the kids who were smoking to get out. How do I know it was kids who were smoking? You don't need to be Sherlock Holmes to see what's going on there, do you? Little bits of torn up cigarettes. There's another one there. I mean, this is a block of flats. It's not a cafe in Amsterdam, but it actually smells like one at the moment. It's unacceptable. If people are going to smoke, they can do it outdoors. Not in our block of flats where they're setting off the alarms constantly. It's just not fair on us. And you'd have to ask yourself, there's two CCTVs up there. Are they operating? Well, it doesn't look like, does it? We know that the smoke alarm up there is operating. That's working okay. There it is. There's your CCTV 1. There's your CCTV number 2. And that's the speaker system. And the fire exit. But how the kids are getting in here, they're either tailgating people or they've found a way of getting into the block. Sometimes they'll leave a little bit of something at the bottom there and then they'll keep the door open, but due to the fire service coming out numerous times, I think it's about time that we put an end to this. So the Quarry Green Heights isn't a community centre, sorry kids, but you'll have to find somewhere else.